Hi friends, today let's learn about how to draw house drawing in a MS Paint. Click a square. Click a triangle. Click a rectangle. Draw a square. Click a circle. Click on spray. Click on line. Click on pencil. Click select and copy and paste. Click line option. Click a heart symbol. Click a bucket and color it. Click a circle. Click a line and click a green. Click a select and copy and paste. Click a orange and click a green and click a brown and click a yellow. Click a dark brown and click a dark green. Draw a circle and color it. Thank you friends.